So, good day everyone. We are going to discuss about implicit differentiation, and we have here an example. So, natural logarithm of square root of x squared plus y squared plus e raised to the power of x y is equals to x raised to the power of y. So, to differentiate this equation, we have to differentiate it by term. So the first that we are going to differentiate is this one. So the next is since this is a radical sign, we are going to convert it by exponential form. So it will be is equals to x squared plus y squared raised to the power of 1/2. So it will be x ln raised to the power of x ln times x squared plus y squared raised to the power of 1/2. So the next is we are going to use the logarithm rule, and it will be 1/2 ln times x squared plus y squared. And the next step is to differentiate it, and we are going to use chain rule. So in chain rule, it will be let our u be the x squared plus y squared. So 1/2 multiplied by our u 1 over x squared plus y squared, multiply it by the derivative of u, it will be 2x plus 2y y prime. And then let's simplify it, and 2x plus 2y y prime is equal to multiply by 2 times x squared, it will be 2x squared plus 2 times y raised to the power of 2 will be 2y squared. And let's cancel it out, it will be x plus y prime is equals to x squared plus y squared. So the differentiation of this logarithm square root of x squared plus y squared is this one. So now let's proceed to the next term, which is the e raised to the power of xy. So to differentiate it, e raised to the power of xy. So we are going to use chain rule. So it will be d all over dx all over dx times e raised to the power of xy is equal to e raised to the power of xy multiplied by d all over dx xy. So since this is a product, we are going to use product rule. It will be d all over dx xy is equals to y plus xy prime. So to differentiate, just copy that e raised to the power of xy multiplied by y plus xy prime. So the differentiation of e raised to the power of xy is e raised to the power of xy multiplied by y plus y xy prime. So next is to differentiate this x raised to the power of y. it requires logarithmic differentiation. So let u is equals to xy. So it will, we will going to take ln both sides. So it will be ln u is equals to y ln x. So now we are going to differentiate this. So it will be, we are going to multiply it both sides by u. So it will be x y raised to the power of y multiplied by y prime and then x plus y over x. So this will be our differentiation of x raised to the power of y. So next is we are going to put everything together. So let's copy those differentiation of every term. So it will be x plus y prime over x squared plus y squared plus this one e raised to the power of xy times y plus x y prime is equal to this x raised to the power of y times y prime ln x plus y over x. So next step is we are going to group y prime in terms. So that will be x all over x squared plus y squared plus y all over x squared plus y squared multiplied by y prime. Then plus e x raised to the power of xy multiplied by y plus e raised to the power of xy multiplied by x then multiplied by y prime. And it's equal to xy y prime and x plus y over x. So now we are going to solve for y, and the next thing that we are going to do is move all y terms to another side. So it will be y prime, copy this one, y all over x squared plus y squared. Then next is this one plus e x raised to the power of e raised to the power of xy times x. Then this minus this x raised to the power of y times ln x. So it will be equal to this one x all over x squared plus y squared plus e raised to the power of xy y minus y all over x multiplied by x raised to the power of y. So to solve for y, we are going to divide it by both sides by this. Okay, it will be y over x squared plus y squared plus e xy x minus x raised to the power of y prime and then x. And here also y over x is equal to y squared plus exy multiplied by x minus x raised to the power of y power of 1 all over y all over x raised to the power of 2 plus y raised to the power of 2 plus p raised to the power of xy multiplied by x minus xy x raised to the power of y prime, and then x. So this will be our the implicit differentiation of this equation. So that will be